y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and this hair color, this pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-pluck, pre-adhesive tape, like, y'all, this is Glueless on my head. We have it on with some adhesive tape. Very simple, very quick. I defined these curls very easily, and you can too. We can too. Like, I need y'all to keep on watching so I can get y'all these details. Lust over this hair and these curls. Like, what? Okay, that's enough for now. Keep watching. Once I finish the unboxing, I like to go ahead and take the wig at this point on my hand and see if it's going to line up with my skin tone. If not, go ahead and add you some ruby kisses or anything that you use to tint your lace and tint the lace to your skin tone. This is key in making sure everything looks flawless. I'm telling you now, finding your correct shade works wonders. This will be a glueless install. I'm going to be using the adhesive tape near both ear tabs to secure it in place. So y'all, this is one of the easiest ways to install. If you do want to go ahead and glue it down, melt it down, spray it down, you do that. But look at how flawless this looks without even having to do that. Once I cleaned up my part, I am going in with this wax stick just to kind of, you know, melt down the middle a little bit. I really didn't have to do this step. You can always go in with a hot comb. And if you don't have a hot comb or a wax stick, you can always use a little bit of water or even some mousse to go ahead and flatten and lay down that top near the part. It really does work wonders, especially if you want to define the curls. Just go ahead and apply the mousse from that point throughout. One of the simplest combos to use is water and some foam mousse. This is something that is great to pair together when wanting to define the curls. I like to spray the hair first, then I go in and make sure the water is saturated throughout the hair, and then I go in with the foam mousse. Very simple. Make sure you're finger detangling first before you go in with a styling tool. That's going to help you not have as much shedding on your hair, and it'll help it last longer. Define versus straight out of the packaging. Y'all, this hair is beautiful. I could tell by when I first let it out the box. Okay, you can know that you're gonna have some good hair when it looks so juicy and pretty out the box. So please check it out if you're interested, because this is beautiful. Like, she looks melted, but she's not. It's still glueless. The adhesive tape is doing what the adhesive tape is supposed to do, and here we are. One thing that I love about this wig is that I did install it in less than 5 minutes, and you can too. Follow these easy steps, y'all. It'll be so easy and so quick and so worth it. Look at the color. Look at these curls. It's glueless. You can still melt it if you want to, but you can also install it in less than 5 minutes, just like I did. I'm at the point in the video where I'm just going to let y'all vibe out. If you made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. But I had to step outside so y'all